Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Hosting Highlights. Today I will provide you 100% working 15% discount coupon code for Hostinger hosting plans. So guys, if you are looking for the Hostinger hosting and you want to purchase Hostinger hosting with discounted price, I will provide you 100% working coupon code. So guys, first of all, I have pinned the comment below and I also put in the description my discount link, that is bloggersradar.com/hostinger. Simply click the discount link. This will land directly to the Hostinger website. After coming on the Hostinger website by my discount link, simply click here start now and choose your perfect plan. In this video, I will choose business plan. You can choose as per your requirement, premium plan, business plan, cloud startup. I will here choose business plan and here click choose plan. This will go toward the cart page. So guys, you can check that cart page is loading. Here you can see that cart page has been loaded and we have here order summary, business web hosting, period. Here we can choose our period for web hosting. I will recommend you to choose 48-month plan because this will provide you huge saving, and minimum choose 12-month plan because coupon code only works on minimum 12-month plan or 24-month plan, 48-month plan. If you choose 48-month plan, you will also get extra 2 month free hosting with 48-month plan. So guys, choose here your plan 12-month, 24-month, 48-month. Here guys, we will click here have a coupon code. So guys, keep in mind that this coupon code that I will provide you, this will provide you extra 15% discount and no 5% discount, no 10% discount, no 8% discount. This will provide you a huge saving of 15% discount. And so guys, this coupon code will work only if you choose my discount link that I have pinned and also added in the description. Simply click the discount link and go toward the Hostinger website, choose your plan and enter coupon code that is iSkills and click apply. Here you can check that coupon code is adding and you can see that iSkills 15% discount, $27.29 savings are added in our plan. So guys, that's a huge saving. If this coupon code and my discount link works for you, kindly hit like and subscribe button and also comment if you got a good discount. So guys, this coupon code will work only if you use my discount link that is in the description and pinned comment bloggersradar.com/hostinger. This will also provide me some benefits. So guys, if you got some discount, kindly comment below that you have got a discount. That's all for today video. Thank you. Goodbye.